you're playing Jake's brother and also work on the law firm with him.
Yes.
But I haven't seen much about your character, so can you tell me where does he fall on the sliding grayscale of morality?
I think my character falls 100% on the side of good. You know why? Because good is relative in this world, in the world that is inhabited.
Himself as good.
Yes, but I see him as good too, because good oftentimes is dictated by circumstance. And so, for me personally, when it comes to family, family always comes first. So, whether some people find something right or wrong, good or bad, for this guy, it's about protecting your family.
So you always take Jake's side then?
Yes, yes.
And how does that...
My brother. I love characters like that. It's a very sort of old world feeling that the family name means more than you individually. And that's what I love about my character.
So does that loyalty take you on a journey this season?
We'll see. I mean, honestly, just to keep it real, we're only on episode 6, so I don't know.
Oh, well, episode 6? Yeah. So how much have you had, like, are there any tensions that develop between you and other characters in those 6 episodes?
Yes, there's a tension between this guy and I, between Jake and I, because sometimes I really try to keep him, I try to keep him on the path that will protect the family name, and sometimes he likes to take risks with that. So
you said that what inspires you about your character is his loyalty, and that's probably what drew you to the role. But how did you actually get the role?
How did I get the role?
Yes.
Okay, so interestingly enough, when I first got the script, I read it and I was like, I am so wrong for this part, because it was supposed to be Daniel's older brother, and he was sort of supposed to be somebody that was kind of like lost in his light. He was kind of in his shadow. So I went in, I was like, I'm too young for this role, there's no way that I'm going to get it. I went in, I had really just given up on the idea of getting the part, but I wanted to really explore what it was like to love somebody and sort of be resentful at them, toward them at the same time. And so I just kind of did my thing, and the next thing I knew, they were like, oh, we're going to make the character younger, and we'll go with you.
So you really wowed them.
Yeah, I guess, I don't know. So I guess they felt there was something very similar about us, so, something that felt similar. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So what do you think this show's place is in the current news cycle? What do you think it has to say about the blurring line between media and truth?
I think what it will have to say about it is that we all know that it's happening, and it won't be news, I think, to the public. I think we're all very aware of how much we are manipulated by the media, especially in cases of criminal justice. But I think it will be just entertaining for people to watch how it's actually done.
Well, thank you so much.